Hi everyone, let's make some protein.
So, in the first phase, first you need an E. coli source plate, and from that plate, as you can see, the red arrow shows that you'll take some colonies and put that into two DNA tubes. One of them is negative DNA, and one of them is plus DNA. So then after that, you take those two tubes, and then only to the plus DNA, you'll get the plasmid and insert it into there. Then after that, get your two tubes and then place them into cold temperature for 10 minutes. Then they'll go into a water bath at 42 degrees Celsius for 45 seconds. Then back into the cold for 2 minutes, and then to a 37 degrees Celsius water bath for 10 minutes. And after that, you're going to get your DNA tubes out of the water bath, and then you're going to plate them onto some plates. The negative DNA will go into the negative DNA/amp, and the positive DNA goes to DNA/amp and DNA/amp/IPTG. And then after that, you just incubate them overnight at 37 degrees Celsius.
The plate that was incubated overnight, and choose some of the colonies and place it onto a new plate and incubate it overnight. And once you have incubated overnight, you select colonies. You select colonies and place it into a tube, which then you centrifuge, and then you place it into a water bath for 10 minutes, and then you take it out and put it into a cold water bath, and then once again place it into a warm water bath, and then one last time you centrifuge it for 10 more minutes, and then you have your GPF cell extract.
Now we are in our third phase, which is purifying the protein. Our first step is to obtain the chromatograph column and set it up. Then we will add our eluting buffer, and after we will add our slurry, which is just a mixture of absorbent and solvent. Then we will remove the cap, add eluting buffer again, and then cap the chromatograph column. Then we will obtain our GCF cell extract, add that to our column, then remove the cap. Then we will add our eluting buffer once again, and we will collect the droplets. From that droplets, you can see them light up with a UV light, and then we'll transfer it to a GCF nature and a GCF denature too. Finally, we're on phase 4, protein electrophoresis. Once we have finished extracting the GCF and the whole procedure from phase 3, we are going to run a gel electrophoresis just to prove that we had correctly transformed our bacteria. So once you finish running the protein electrophoresis, you're going to place the gel in a tray that is submerged into a dyed fluid. That fluid will enhance the DNA color, and from then we'll be able to correctly analyze our results by comparing it to a controlled DNA run, and we will see if our DNA or protein DNA actually didn't come out correct.